Hey, hi, my name is Antoine Miller. I'm an credit in real estate. And I'm coming to you and let you know about how I do credit repair. And I want y'all to understand that I've been doing credit repair for a number of years. So let me show you what I do. Share my screen. Okay, I'm sharing my screen right now, and I want y'all to see what's going on. So let's bring this down. All right, that's gone. So let's bring up the screen. All right, so this is one of my clients. His credit repair is doing pretty good. It's at a 664, 668, and 662. I'm getting some stuff off his credit, you know. His credit's gonna go probably 800, probably 800 credit score soon. You know, a lot of advantages to this credit. So I'm gonna go to the other one. Okay. This credit right here is mine. You see how I started from 492, 557, 589, I went all the way up. And now I'm at I'm at the 603 on this on mine. And the only reason because of the simple fact that I have had to remove some fraudulent things that wasn't on my credit. So I dropped my score a little bit, but this is practically what my score is. So now let's do it like this, okay? Now, since you see what my credit is, you know I don't play no games. Also, this is you'll get something like this. And you see how I said right here, I have 19 deletions on Equifax, 24 deletions on Experian, and 17 deletions on TransUnion. So that's why my score dropped a little bit. I still have 7 in dispute on Equifax and 12 dispute on TransUnion. So I had a lot of cleaning up to do. You feel me? So that's why that was what. And I got other clients too. Let me show you.
Hi, is that Papa?
I got other clients.
Hi, my name is Lucy. I'm pretty new to the area and I just wondered if I could speak with you for a moment. I'm sorry.
Can't really show you my clients' information.
I really speak to you.
But I showed you a couple of clients of mine. I can't show the information with privacy policies, right? So purposes, I mean. But in that whole aspect, let me come back. Okay, let's stop sharing. Okay, so now you know that I do credit repair, and I've been doing it for a long period of time. And I want to see how this goes because I never did it from this way. So I'm recording this so I can go ahead and put it on my Facebook. So I tell you what, leave me your name. My number is 407-947-0402. My email is mmaofcredit@gmail.com. Let me know how I can help you. Give me a call. Shalom, people.
Gonna make it.